In the past, when we've completed the square, we've always had to start with a single x squared in the front of our equation. We have never experienced having a coefficient number like a 2. So in order to complete the square, we have to factor out this coefficient of 2 so that it's only an x squared. So we're going to take a factor of 2 out of the first two terms of our equation. So if we take out a 2, we'd be left with x squared plus 6x in our parentheses. And now we are going to turn this middle part of the parentheses into a square. So I'll set up my square. X squared goes in the bottom corner. And then because we want this shape to be perfectly square, we take the 6x and we cut it in half so that both sides are the same size. We're putting 3x into each corner. And because this is a multiplication chart, the outsides would be x times x to make x squared, and 3 and 3 to make a 3x. Now if we do 3 times 3, our missing box that we have not filled in yet is a 9. Notice this doesn't match the original equation. So in order to write this in graphing, aka vertex form, we need to try to match our square to the original equation. So how we do that is we start writing what's the edges of our square. We've got an x plus 3 squared for each side of the square. Then we took out this factor of 2. So we still need a multiplier of 2 here in front of our equation. And now if we multiply this box by 2, 2 times 9 actually makes this box an 18. And we need to turn our square from an 18 back to matching the original of -7. So to go from 18 all the way back to a -7, we would need to subtract or take off 25 to match the original. So to finish complete the square, or our vertex form, we would need to take off 25. And now we have rewritten the equation in graphing or vertex form.